See this stupid rat? This big stupid rat. Go get it. Yeah. Good job. Go bring Daddy. Get it by his stupid tail. No, you gotta get the rat. Get him.
Good girl, overcoming rat phobia.
Couple hours of therapy. Boom! Get the skull. Zelda, go get Daddy his skull. Skull collector, bring it to Daddy. Good job. Bring me bones back to your daddy. I eat seed. Bones, yeah, you got the bones. Zelda, get the bone man. He's Mr. Bones. Go get the bones. Bring Daddy the bones. You got scared of the bones at the last minute. Go get the bones. Get Mr. Bones. Yeah. Bones. With the bones. Bring them all the way over. All the way to Daddy. Yeah.
Good girl.
You brought Daddy the bones, Mr. Bones. The bones. You got the bones once before. Get the bones. Zelda, fetch. Yeah, good job. Good job. You conquered your fear of the bones. Daddy, go fetch. I need the bones. Daddy needs the bones. Oh, my kid's bones are all crooked. Go get the bones. Zelda, get the bones. Fetch. Oh, yeah. Go get one. Woo. Woo! Good job. Good delivery. Spooky. Spooky. Trick or treat, Zelda. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Yay! Wow, Zelda.
Good girl.
Okay, we'll let you get one more. Trick or treat. Zelda.
Come on, Zelda, there's one more.
Zelda. Trick or treat.
Go get the last jack-o'-lantern.
Zelda.
Come
Trick
on.
or treat.
Trick or treat.
Oh, yeah.
You can do it.
Yay!
Such a good girl.
Thank
Wow.
you for the treat and the trick.
Happy Halloween.
Go get the jack-o'-lantern. Yeah. It's funny. She's just like, bloop, 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 bloop. Go get it. Oh, yes. Wow.
Good girl.
Really good. There you go, Zelda. Get your reward. Yeah, don't worry about the spooky witches. You can take them on. Good job. Would you bring it the pumpkin? Good job. Wow. Good job, Zelda. She's like, I get that finger from your eyes. Bring it to Daddy. Fetch. Good job giving Daddy the finger again. Good. That was a good one. She's like, I do it so good. Zelda. Bring it to Daddy. Yeah. That was a good job. Yummies. Okay, another jack-o'-lantern. Need another one. We're running low. Whoa, go get it. Go get it, Zelda. Don't be scarred. Go get it. Go fetch it. Go fetch it. Oh, yeah. Wow, that was a good job. Bring Daddy a new one. You afraid of the rat? Bring Daddy it. Good job. That's a good job. Okay. Go fetch. Go fetch. Go get it. Daddy needs a new jack-o'-lantern. Go get it. Who are you going to bring? Wow. Good job. Oh, Daddy, the bones. Yeah, good job. Actually, where's that? Daddy, the spider. Good job. Who's making all that noise? Okay, what about... Bring it, Daddy. Yeah. So I want to get her comfortable with a couple of things. Go bring Daddy the finger. Go get the white part. The bone. By the bone. Go bring Daddy the finger. Yeah. Good job. Go fetch. Fetch it. Go get it, Zelda. Go get the finger. Go get give Daddy the finger. Give Daddy the finger. Yeah. That's a good girl. Fetch. Bring Daddy. Woo! That's a good girl. Good Halloween girl. Yeah. Bring Daddy the centipede. Oh, go get the centipede. Good job.
Good girl.
Go get the spider. Bring Daddy the spider. Good job.